Hi, we're Team Empathy Writer. In a world where technology has enabled us to communicate in the fastest and most convenient way, surprisingly few tools exist to make sure each conversation truly counts. Survey data shows that long-distance couples exchange on average over 300 texts every single week, yet 50% of them break up at the 4-month mark, citing lack of communication as the biggest problem.
To solve this problem, we decided to build Empathy Writer. Empathy Writer is a predictive typing machine built using natural language processing algorithm to enhance the long-distance communications by showing the writers how their tongue might be perceived by the readers and make conversation more enjoyable with predictive emojis.
So, how does it work? First, over 300,000 lemon-tized tweets, they will be processed into features. This may include the tweet's main content, the hashtag content, and the location content, also with the count of the hashtag and ads. So we're gonna create different features specifically for the models we're using. So for the naive-based model, we're gonna create features for binary backup words, count backup words, and TF-IDF. And for bidirectional LSTM, we're gonna include the word orders and location and content hashtag and extract those features along with the emoji IDs. Then we will pass it through the model and train the Empathy Writer.
We evaluate our models using two experiments. First, we look at how accurate the model predicts the emojis. For the second experiment, we label the tweets manually and see how our models compare to humans. For both models, we found that the accuracies for the top 5 emojis are higher than for the top 20 emojis by 25%. So if you look at the top table here and the bottom table, you can clearly see that the accuracies are on average higher in the top table than on the bottom. Our best model predicts emojis with a high accuracy of 60%, which beats humans by a staggering 15%. So if you compare the first column with the second and third columns, you can clearly see that the second and third columns have higher accuracies than the first column. We also found that surprisingly, machines are twice as good as humans to predict the love emoji, with an accuracy of 90%, right here. This really excites us because it promises a future where machines can not only help us get things done, but also empower us to empathize with each other on a much deeper level. For more detailed results, download our paper.